everyone, in front of me I've got the DOOGEE S40 and let me share with you how to change date and time on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings, and now let's scroll down to the very bottom and find the system. Now let's tap on date and time, and as you can see here we've got some options which we can customize. So right now we are using network provided time and time zone, and the options to change it manually are inactive, so we have to tap on automatic date and time and turn it off just by picking this option. As you can see, you can use also GPS provided time. So let me turn it off, and the date and time options are active. So in order to also activate the time zone, just tap on the switcher here. So let's begin with setting the date. After tapping on it, you will be able to pick the date from this calendar, so just pick the one you would like to set and tap on OK, and as you can see it will immediately appear right here. You can also set the time, so from this clock you have to pick the time you would like to set. So let me pick for example this one, tap on OK, and as you can see it will immediately appear on the status bar. So now let's select the time zone, tap on the region, and as you can see you've been transferred to the full list of all available regions from which we can choose. So all you have to do is to simply find the one you would like to set, and let me pick this one. Okay, and as you can see it is immediately applied, but be aware that after changing the time zone the time will also change according to it. So I hope that you remember that I've set the 12 o'clock, but right now it is 1 o'clock. So under it you can also decide what kind of clock format and date format you'd like to use. So right now we are using 24-hour format, but if you'd like to set 12-hour format, just tap on the switcher here to turn off this option, and as you can see it will be immediately applied. Of course we can also choose the date format, and as you can see we've got plenty of options to choose from. We can choose regional or any other if you want to. We can also show what particular day of the week it is. So actually this is it. This is how to customize date and time, and of course you can get back to all previous settings. Just tap on the switcher to use 24-hour format, on this one to use automatic time zone, and here to use network provided time. So actually this is it. This is how to customize date and time in your DOOGEE S40. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.